Prospector Jack here again from Appalachian Prospectors, and this is 2018 on the river. This year we've come up to tear down the old camper that's on our property, and we're getting started on that. We're going to get that cleared out. We're going to end up putting a cabin up in here. That way it's a lot better to stay in. But here's the camper. There's George. He's tearing out the stove.
This is 130D going down. $130 dirty D going down. Only stapled on. My lord. Only stapled on shit.
What's that, the siding?
Yeah.
Holy smokes, you got her going right off of there, huh?
Huh?
You got her going right off of there.
Yeah, it's easy. All I do is put a hammer and pull right off. There ain't nothing holding it on there. Just a couple staples.
What's under it? Cardboard?
Cardboard.
Nice.
I think the gnats are a little pissed off of taking their home away. Is that back window ready to come out yet? Huh? You got the flat bar?
Just got one screw I can't get out.
You got the flat bar here somewhere? Oh.
There we go.
Really dinky door.
The door is watch out. Okay. That's all. Well, we got a pretty good start on it. We get the windows out, we get some of the siding off, and we're making progress and looking pretty good. So we'll be back at it tomorrow. We're going to go out and get some food and we'll be back. Okay, it's Wednesday morning. We have the trailer pretty much down to the ground. We're still separating aluminum off of it. We'll take a trip in and get rid of some of that aluminum today, but here it is. That's where we're at. There he is, raking up the remains here. Cleaning up a mess. Soon we'll have a cat. Got you down, man. God damn. Huh? No more ugly trailer, but a couple folded tires. This is about what's left. Now I'm going to walk right down the center of it. A couple more loads of, we got a load of scrap metal down there, some more metal. We got some more stuff going to the transfer station. 2 more loads and we should be out of here. Some copper over here and a couple of plastic tanks. We'll go to the transfer station. Nice cozy fire.
Panning on me, huh?
Here's old George, tired right out. Gonna wear him out. So that's it. And it'll be a lot nicer up here. It's nice to get rid of that old trailer because that thing was so musty and stinky. The stink just came out of it. You know, sitting here at night, and all you can smell is mold and mildew. Well, anyway, this is after the cleanup. We got all the stuff out of here. We moved our table over there, which I just did the panning on. And this is all clear and open now. Very nice. And then the boys are over there sitting by the fire, enjoying a lovely beverage. And relaxing. We got to pull out of here tomorrow morning before the rain comes, hopefully. And that's good. It's been a very productive trip. Very productive.